Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Light Community, and today I want to show you how to fix this right there, the wreath not working. But before that, please go down and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, and I'd appreciate it very much. So let's get started here. So I'm going to turn the camera around here. Alrighty, so we have this section of light out. So on these wreaths, most of these wreaths like this at Home Depot and that are all the old incandescent bulbs. Looks like this, an incandescent bulb. It's not an LED. And what happens is, if you drop this, you break this off, it will not work at all. That whole section is out because one bulb is broken. And the way I usually find it is I will start pulling this wreath apart, looking at all my bulbs. And generally what happens was, this is the bulb right here that was broke. How I found it is I started moving it and it shocked me. So that is how I know that bulb is bad. And watch this, when I put this bulb in here, I put that bulb in there, it all come back on. So like I say, usually what you can do is you can start pulling that apart wherever it's at, and if you find a bulb that's missing or it's broken, a lot of times they get broken because you drop it or whatever, and that will cause that wreath in that section of lights not to work. And like I say, when you're doing it by hand and pulling it, it'll shock you, and that's how I knew where this one was. So if you'd like to learn how to hang wreaths, check out this video on vinyl. If you'd like to learn how to hang wreaths on brick, check out this video, or stucco. Thank you and have a great day.